We start by gathering all the necessary materials and tools that we're going to need. We use cotton balls, wood chips, a muffin tin, as well as Vaseline, paraffin or soy wax, isopropyl alcohol, a wax melt, a cheese grater to shave down the wax. Our first step obviously is to start shaving the wax, which that got real old, so I resorted to cutting up wax into pieces, which helped quite a bit. For the wood shavings inside of the fire starter, we've been breaking up a bunch of these small pieces of dry inside of cedar. So we had an old cedar tree that we cut up, and then the bark started to fall off of it. We found that the bark had these dry kind of inner core wood pieces that we could break off, and so have been compiling this. But basically, as long as you've got some good dry wood pieces that can break up into quarter, half-inch size chunks, and that gives us a good base and something to burn off of. First step is to take the wood chips or pieces and put them in the muffin tin. Then we break up the cotton balls in half, dip them in the Vaseline, and then lightly stick them on top of the wood shavings. Then take a little spoon and just drizzle a little bit of isopropyl alcohol over each of the cotton ball wood shaving piles. While we're doing that, we're melting the wax in the double burner. Once it's melted, we start to pour it over each of the individual piles of wood shavings, cotton balls, and isopropyl alcohol. It is surprising how fast that wax goes. We used the entire first bar I showed you. I ran out and then had to buy more soy wax off Amazon, and we ended up using about half of that 2-pound box. Once you've poured wax into each of the muffin tins and you pour it high enough to bind all the ingredients together, give each of them some time to cool and they're hard enough. When they're hard enough, they will pop out and you'll have these individual little fire starters. We always give our fire starters a test run at home before we take them out on our next camping trip, and this one seemed to do pretty well.